back to another video of Project Red. We're about to head out to Mexico. Got our boys Isaac's car right here on the trailer. Mexico, and boy, let's go. Alright guys, we decided to stop at AutoZone real quick. We actually got an hour drive. We're not that far from Mexico, but we got an hour drive. And this is the first, we've taken this truck out of town once, all the way to Houston. It's like 2 hours away from where we live. But that was before it was cammed with the stalling gears. And now it doesn't do so good on gas mileage, so hopefully we can make it. Not worried about gas I'm making it, just reliability hasn't been driven that much, but we'll see. All right guys, we're close to Mexico right now. We're just filling up on some fuel. The truck did good. We did a little 40-minute drive and it's acting good. The only issues we had was that the AC was way too cold. We had to lower it down.
My window doesn't roll down. This is a mamalona, cabrón. Hey, you're gonna go and you're gonna turn around, bro? Y'all were following my brother a while ago. You're gonna go right back over here. You can turn around actually right here. You're gonna turn around, you're gonna go back right down there, and you're gonna go down there. Since you're gonna run, fuck around if you want to, you can probably pull behind this little yellow truck right here. You know what I mean? But you're gonna make a loop and go all the way through there.
All right. This truck is another single cab. Got a fat tire. Oh yeah, it is. It has the same tire we have. It's like that. A trailer up here. I'll lower it on the window. Yeah, I've never seen so many trucks race before. This is a double cab on all its radios on all four. This is the one that was on the boot check.
That's the ones I've been wanting to get.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they're clean.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, I like the.
Yeah, for sure. You got
6.0. You got a S with the stock 243 and the quarter premium.
this one I've been hearing rumors about.
You mean
Fast as shit.
nah.
Slow. Hey, let me know if you want to catch me on the roll.
Yeah?
I'll go and get practice.
Yeah? Yeah, for sure. So see how you have shit set up over
Yeah,
there.
Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see we're running away. A whole bunch of people just started leaving and we asked a couple people and they're saying that the cops were called. So I guess we're gonna help our friend load up his car and take off from here. Like, alright guys, we meted up back up over here. Here's a turbo truck. That was like calling us out, but we ain't racing him, bro. He's turboed. It's a nice truck though, don't get me wrong. Clean. But yeah, we're about to see what's going down. Got a couple cars, another single cab right there. Back at the gas station. A lot of trucks, man. Hopefully we get a couple runs, but we'll see.
What you want?
My best is at 30, I think.
30?
Yeah, I don't really do roads no more, but I
Okay.
think 30s. Yeah.
I'll give you your since.
How much pounds of boost are you running?
Wastegate, 10 pounds.
You want to try jig?
You don't do gigs?
Nah, I'm not really set up for that.
That's where I'm at.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. The pizza.
Gotcha. Shoot if you cool.
Yeah, let's try it. You want to go right now, or?
Yeah.
I'm gonna race this turbo truck. It's on 10 pounds. It's a 6.0 with ported heads. Oof.
How much you want for the wheels?
Oh shit. We gotta take them out.
Nah, I just got these.
Hey, what about the grill?
Put it in Isaac's truck so it doesn't get off fucked up.
I'll count it down then.
Yeah, I'll go like that.
I'll let you know.
All right. All right, we're about to run that truck. About to go to Mexico real quick and come back. But yeah, we'll see how we do with this turbo truck. I think it makes like 700. We don't make like 416, but it has a big stall, so we might be able to get out on him. pretty good, but I mean, I heard that it was making 700. It's on 10 pounds. It's a 6.0 quarter heads. Like, it's out of our league, but it was still pretty fun. That top end, and pull is hard on top end.
Yeah, that's where it's at with this one.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate you doing around, man.
All right. Back to Texas again. Keep going to Mexico and Texas, but luckily we're like right next to the border. We raced this truck right here. I'm not sure what's done to it at all. All I can hear is cammed, and it kept with us for a little bit, but it just we reeled him in. It jumped, but that ain't a problem. I don't know what's all done to it though. Good run, bro. What's all done to that one?
5.3 with a truck cam.
All right.
That ain't really nothing.
Yeah.
It needs a better tune. That's barely got the truck.
Sound fast? I know. Alright guys, location number 2. We're back down in Mexico.
I'll just pull you in, stop you, I'll pull him in, stop you, I'll take a few steps back to the line.
Alright, that's cool.
Alright.
Alright, so we got our boys Isaac's Skylark, about to race this 4x4. I'm not sure what's done to it. I think it's cammed. It sounds cammed, right? I'm not sure what's done to it, but it's a 4x4. It has radios all around. Right now or what?
Yeah. Alright. Right now, yeah, right? Yeah, we can do it.
Alright guys, as you guys heard, we have a race with this S10.
You got a light?
Yeah.
So I can make sure you get it right here.
There you go. Did he do a burnout? Fuck no.
Oh, that's why y'all looking over there. God damn.
You wanna do a better burnout? You can't?
You can't do a better one?
Huh?
I don't have water either. Go ahead and back up. Just back up a little bit.
Alright, well be careful. If you feel it spin, let out, bro.
See, you don't want to do too much if it's not burning.
As you guys seen from the last video, we raced a white Camaro that's a full bolt-on cam and it has a lot of shit done to it, and we were pretty much head-to-head until topping, and now they're thinking we're on spray, so we're about to head over to his shop and show them that we're not on spray. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff here. It's a pretty badass shop.
Going for the lunch control.